Transferring from the Photos app to the Mac is very easy during iPhone mirroring on macOS Sequoia and iOS 18 update. Here are straightforward tricks for copying photos and other media files to your Mac. I am Max. Let's get started. First, open iPhone mirroring on Mac using Spotlight Search using Command and Space. Open the Photos app on the iPhone mirroring window. Tap on Hold on the photo you want to copy. You will see the Copy option in the menu. Select the Copy option. Now, move to your Mac Finder window or desktop. Paste the image file using the Command and V keyboard shortcut option. That's it. To move multiple photos simultaneously, click the Select button at the top right corner. Select the photos you want to copy. I am selecting 3 pictures here. Now, tap the Share button at the bottom left corner and click on the Copy Photos option. Then move to Mac and paste the photos using Command plus V key using keyboard. To transfer video files, we can't copy like photos. We can do this using AirDrop only. Select or open video files, then under the Share option, select AirDrop. Find your Mac name and click on it. We made a separate video for the complete guide on transferring video from iPhone to Mac using iPhone mirroring in macOS Sequoia. That's it. Wait for transfer complete and see your video on Mac from your iPhone connected on iPhone mirroring. I hope you found this video helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe for new videos.